Hello class, today we're going to be reading The Big Red Apple by Toni Johnson, illustrated by Judith Corwin. And today I brought an apple that's cut in half, and you can see where the seeds are inside the apple. And I also took out a few of the seeds, and I let everybody look at these after we finished reading our book. A tree grew. The tree was full of big red apples. Wind came. It blew with a big, loud whisper. You see the wind blowing and the apples falling out of the tree. It shook one big red apple down. The big red apple lay on the ground like a bright red rock. A worm came. Like a tiny mole, it ate a tiny hole in the big red apple. You see the bite mark in the apple. A bird came. It ate the worm with a big loud squawk. It pecked the big red apple, then it flew off. A boy came. He picked up the big red apple. Donk! He slapped it in his hand like a juicy red baseball. So what did the worm do? The worm ate some of the apple. And then the bird ate the worm. So what do you think the boy's going to do? Crunch, crunch, crunch. He ate the big red apple. What sound would you make if you were eating an apple? Pretend you're eating an apple. How would it sound? He spit the seeds. The seeds fell to the ground. Fit, fit, fit. Do you think the seeds will start growing? Rain came. Its long, wet fingers patted the seeds into the dirt. Sun came. It shimmered and made the seeds warm. Now, do you think if the seeds would not have gotten down into the dirt, do you think they would still grow? So a tree grew. The tree was full of big red apples. Now, how would you plant an apple seed? The end.